Let's celebrate profits! Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year! I hope that you have a fantastic year. I hope that you are able to, well, come here and have fun. I hope that you have spent your Christmas good, that you're back and you're like me. You're happy! The sun is out as well as I am. My name is Eivindfx. I'm a forex trader for over 8 years now, investing for quite a long time now. So I am here to help you becoming a better trader. If it is forex, if it's equities, if it is bonds, if it is oil, if it is gold. I don't know what you want to do, but let's go. I don't know what you think is going to be fantastic about this year, but I think we are already onto something here. I'm just trying to hype myself up because I had a daily setup yesterday, and I will go through it. I will go through it. Don't worry. But I love it. I love it. Finally, we are back to profits. Boom. First day in a long time. Hello, Silva, long time no see. Anthroplas says, boom, or target. Happy New Year, Adrian times 2. Yeah, number 2. Yeah, of course. Michael Cardwell, good afternoon. I guess it's afternoon now. I would say good morning to anyone else because I feel like I just woke up. No, but no, it is New Year. So, you sold 12 on pound. I think that's a good sell, give or take. But we will look into it. Happy New Year, James. Happy nappies. Happy New Year. All right, so let's go, mate. So let's go into Aussie. I said yesterday in the daily setups that you should be a part of, by the way. How do we get to the daily setups? I actually don't want to sell you anything. But, you know, it is there. Is it there? No, it's not that one. It is this one here. No, it's not that one either. Where did it go? There it is. Jesus. So, if you want to be a part of that, there we are. So, if you want to be a part of that, you're not part of the mentorship, there is a place for you as well. And we meet every, I don't know if it's in London close per se, but around there. So I said 72.18 yesterday, and we got 72.16. Yeah. Boom! Happy New Year. Great. So, the other one that I want to mention here is that all the free things. What is the free things? The free things today is my Discord channel, where you can talk to me and everything else. And the other one that is also free on this channel. Where's the sound coming from? Okay, I guess there's a sound in the background, I guess. Well, okay, I was supposed to give you that. That is Discord. And then we were supposed to give you, what's the other one? My strategy. YouTube. And then we search for Eivindfx strategy. Just, what do we get if you search for that? Okay. So we will probably, well, I guess. So that's the strategy probably we're gonna go to. Good. T. And then strategy. Sorry. There we go. And then I'm gonna pin it, and then I'm done for the rest of this live. So I've been holding my USD yen since FOMC in December. Whoa, look at that woman. Good on you. Not good on you. Fantastic. I am super duper super duper happy about you. So yeah, Denise is one of our great traders here, and I love having her in my community. So, coffee break. That's a cold coffee already. So yeah, if you see any frost smoke or frost fog coming out of my mouth, we have seen, I don't know, what is it, a 400% rise in electricity prices in Norway. So you know, yeah. Hello, amigo. So, who was the first one to ask for a pair? Saroya Raj says, sorry, that was Norwegian. If I would say Norwegian, I would say Surya Raj. That's Norwegian. So, sorry, bro, if that was a bad name to say, but okay, we can start off. Well, so if you want anything covered by me, by the way, you are very much welcome to mention your currency pairs. Though, I also want to go through, I know where you are from, hey, but I really want to see, which countries are represented in this live today? I know we have Norway, I know we have Bahrain, I know we have America, I know we have Canada. What else do we have? Do we have Britain today? Do we have Seychelles or Mauritius? Places I want to go to. And any friends in those places. So, oil. I put an X yesterday on the daily setups. That goes through what I would do the next day. It is basically a range. So technically right now, the market is like, I don't know. You tell me. We. No. By the way, when I was traveling through Paris during Christmas, there was something like French, and I was like, "What are you talking about? Norwegian?" I was so exhausted. I was like, "Norwegian in France?" Yeah, of course. And by the way, for those who are wondering, how much sun is it in this country of Norway? That's the amount of sun, and it hasn't even risen. As you can see, it hasn't even risen above the horizon. It's still just, you know. Oops, sorry. It's just still talking, you know, looking into the mountains. So if I say if I'm depressed because of darkness, well, that's the only light I have. It's not even on the sky. It's just literally. So the oil market is currently being like how do I draw this? Nah, that is not snowman. No, that was okay. Eyes, and then ghost. Jesus help me! Can somebody send me to drawing classes? I was supposed to draw that. I was supposed to. So my attempt. Hello, Forex Pro. My attempt was. Let's see if I can load this thing. I was trying to make this emoji here. Where is it? Let's see. There we go. I was trying to make this guy. No, not him. Where is he? Maybe I have to go to my phone actually to find him. But I was trying to make that one. Does that look alike? I've seen you have sent me something, Abbas, and I'm not making fun of you today. So, even if your dollar rises 100 pips, or is it dollar, pound? Yeah, and the COTs. So even if it rises 100 pips, don't wait for 138, so 1380 to sell. They are pricing early rate hikes before the Fed in Q2 does that in 2022. Now they plan it to be Q1 instead. So that's going to be dollar bullish. 2-year 2-note futures net long its target. So he's the largest since 2016. Sorry. So, yeah, so yeah, nah, it's a good one, numbers. It's a good one, numbers. What about gold? Nah, no, gold is okay. We can do gold soon. I just need to remove my pads there. Okay, so hello, g'day, happy New Year, mate. Glad to see you again. Dollar and USSR, please. Will do so. Plus some info in the group. Yeah, so he posted something in this group, which is my what? What do you call it? I call it my Discord. No, my Telegram. Jeez, and I can't even find the button to invite people even today. So there we go. If you want to be a part of my group, but also talking a lot to Abbas. Abbas has a lot of knowledge, so if you want him to talk to him, there you go. So, oil. There was an OPEC meeting today, and I think the market already knows that we are going to increase production by plus 400 million barrels per day. Million barrels per day. And I guess that is written as MB. So if I say million barrels per day, no, it's a billion. It's only a million. It's a million. It's a 400,000. Well, we have to look at that. So, and then, yeah, and then we need to go into, let's see, OPEC. Should be nice and easy to find that from yesterday. There was an article about that yesterday. This is 2018. Okay. I wanted it from now. Naval. This search engine is kaput. Kaput. Okay. So 400,000 or 4 million. I don't know. 400 million, whatever it is. I guess it's 400,000. I'm just gonna take away there and then add a K instead. So we have that one, K. So that is going to send oil downtown. Okay? That is going to send oil downtown. Now, that is the sell side of it. What is the buy side, you ask? The buy side is inflation. So if inflation continues to rise, this is continue rising. And then that it kind of inflicts each other. It's kind of like oil going higher equals inflation. But also oil has its own drivers, inflation has its own drivers. But they are a contribution of each other. So, if that's a thing, then okay. Can you be buying this market? No. Can you sell this market? Well, this is something interesting. This might be a place to sell. But I don't sell ranges. That is not my trading. So if you're thinking, well, I'm going to be the world's best trader. Ivan told me I might not be the one that is going to tell you to sell now, right now. Okay. Good. So I think we're gonna fall. Some point or not. If I will be wrong about that, I don't know. But that's at least my New Year's resolution. Good morning, Sarah. Good morning. Oh, no, sorry. Good morning. How are you? Hope you have had a nice sleep. Did you sleep well? Cheers! Welcome! Siva! How's your health? I'm okay. As you can see, I'm still screaming, so still alive and kicking. Boom! Oh, okay. Okay, so for those who asked for euro, nobody of you. So the what I want us to do in this stream here is you tell me which currency pairs you want me to cover, and I'm gonna babble for as long as I can of all the information I have about this pair. Basically nothing. So that is your job, and my job is to tell you what I would do, wouldn't do, could have done, should have done, would have done, what if I did. So my role is to be the trading. Well, to be talking like I knew this was gonna happen. Okay, even though I have already told you I'm looking for dollar bullishness, and 100% right so far. Bada bing, bada boom. No, it's not bada bing, bada boom. It is. Oh yeah. Yo, yo, yo! So, alright. I sold that. That's the only thing you could do. You could have sold this morning. You could have done that too, but that's aggressive. I'm just telling you, it's aggressive. So if you are an aggressive trader, okay, cool. You could have done that. And then you could have sold it at 9 a.m. candle there. 10 a.m. actually. So you got a decent price. Not sell price, not sell price. So, if you're thinking those prices here, one of those three, 1, 2, 3, are aggressive sells, and you're trying to force a market that is currently in a range to trend. So, just have that in mind. Okay? Just have that in mind. But to the downside we go! So, I want this to fall. I don't know if this is gonna be. I don't know if this is the top though. Another thing could be 15 flat or 15 and a half. Those are levels I'm also looking into. So if we break higher now, you should be break even. Okay. So if price comes up now, you should not lose any money. Rule number 1. Rule number 2, be patient. So, I don't know what January has a hold of us, of which week we are going to do what. But, we have an FP on Friday. That means that market will be aggressively going towards the target. Write that down, okay? Write it down on your piece of paper. If there is NFP, market will try to aggressively go to the target early so they can get out of there before the market does anything. Aussie was asked for. Who asked for that? Michen? Asked for that? Yep. Good choice, by the way. I love that. I love that choice. I said 72.18 yesterday. 72.16 was the actual sell price today. Okay. You still have plan A and plan B here to the downside. If you are a buyer, don't even think about it. This is plan A. This is plan B. Currently, plan A is working, and we are all good. So, good on us there. What else can we mention here? We have already hit target for the week, as far as I know. So, that is a double bottom on the weekly target. That is red alert, red alert, red alert. Make sure that your risk management is on point. Make sure that you are break even of those sells you have already taken. And if price goes higher, don't freak out. That is what you need to expect. So, how do I know? How do I know that? What do you mean? Let me show you something very important. So, here, targets hits on Tuesday. Comes down again, which is 68 pips. Can you survive that? We hit target here, this target, and we fall 78 pips. We hit target here, and we rise 46 pips. And the list goes on and on and on. On and on. Yeah, I forgot. So, just have that in mind that if we then starts to rise again, if it's 50 pips or 60 pips, you should be not losing money. Okay? It's easy for me to say, but that means in clear text, do not do anything stupid that I wouldn't do. So I wouldn't sell now. Okay? Good. Marco! My long friend Amundsen, how are you today? So that is Aussie. Aussie to the downside. Dollar strength, Aussie weakness. PMI yesterday of Aussie wasn't great. Still in lockdown, so I think this has potential to fall. Okay, good. Let's go. So just gonna go through the markets. Dollar has hit target for the week. Oh yeah, yeah. That's great. I like it. And that is 3rd of January, yesterday. Okay, alright. Yeah, and then pullback. Yeah, that didn't happen. Okay. Dollar has a target. It is still trying to go higher, but it's still in a range. So, still fair enough for me. Nasdaq has made a fall, but has made some progress again. Now, what do you expect for Nasdaq this year, or this January? I want it to fall. Let's call it, I don't know, 10% maybe? 20, 15? 10, 15%. So that is around 14 something. 14,000 something. So I get 15% is 14,000 flat. That's where I want price to go. So I have all my ammunitions ready down there, and then I have added my entries here and here for those prices. There you go. Stop losses down here. There you go. And I am going to the moon. Okay, good. Okay. So, same thing with with S&P 500. I hope that you are in profits here, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm also going to wait for a 15% fall in this market. Still, orders in. Not shots fired. Shots, what do you call it? Ready, engaged, live. Not fire. It's, is ready to roll. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to put another order around 4,000. Stop loss, I don't know. So those are things that I'm looking into right now. That's S&P, that is Nasdaq. Dollar has already done what he wanted to do. Gold. Okay. For all those gold traders, I want to see gold engagement. If there's anyone in this class right now that wants me to do gold, I will do it. But if those gold traders has left the building, I am out of here. I don't like to do gold. So, if you are here to learn something about gold, I'm here for you. If you are just here to come by and say gold and go back again, well, maybe not. So, 12 people have liked this live. Okay. I have tried to sing for you. I have tried to make fun. We have given you some knowledge. Let's see which one it's ticking off you today, but good. So, where's Johnny? So, one asks for gold? Really? Oh, lordy. Okay. That also tells me that there is not a lot of gold traders here. So okay. So we will just whisper to those few who are already here on gold. Okay. To those of you experts out there who is trading gold. Okay. Let me tell you something for free. I'm not buying yet. I'm still waiting. We don't have a bullish trend. I'm still waiting. This is a good development, but not what I want to see. So it's a plan B thing. And then I wanted to rise above 1830 and then buy it again. I earlier said I wanted to be above 18. I think it was 1800 maybe. Yeah. So we're above 1800. That's great. We're above 1800 right now. So that's a good place to hold. Not lower than this. And then we will go higher. Okay? Is that good? We're all good on that? Oops. Okay, there we are. Okay, good. Okay. So if you want to be a buyer and you may want to make money on gold, I'm not giving you any financial advice, but I don't like this currently. And then we can take this one higher later, okay? Patience is king. Okay, good. This happy Eivind is the one we know and love. Oh, like Xavier. I love that. Don't make me cry. Yeah, and I hope that some more people comes from my ASMR. Because silver. Oh, that's nice. Okay. I said yesterday, don't wait for it. Don't be too aggressive here. I want you to save your money here. Seems like there's a lot of buying pressure right now, though, but still, it's a range. So, in my knowledge, I only want I only want to make money when it's really trending, right? So I see every day, I look every day, it just goes bouncing around, and then it moves in the end. Yes, but I want a trend, right? I don't know how does that market look like? What am I waiting for every single day of this desperate life that I'm living? Okay, this is the market I'm looking for. You know, it just rises and rises and rises and rises. Isn't that great? That is what I'm waiting for. So, not really right now. Okay, not really right now. Denise was having the happy Eivind. 'Cause I'm happy. Nathan says, what was the cost of the yen bearish move? You mean by the end of the year? Or now? Okay. Holy guacamole, though. Well, that didn't go well, did it? Okay. That goes against my plans. So somebody believes that the world is still a fantastic place to make money. It's still a fantastic place to take risk, and that's what people are doing with the yen. Now, this is actually quite interesting. I made that thing yesterday on the A1 Trading Live, and I said 100% down, 100% back up again. And that is a pretty. That's an accurate thing, isn't it? And I made that when the price was like in this range here somewhere. Yeah, somewhere here. I made that thing when it was there, and then it went back up again. Jesus. Yeah, I want this one to fall, so that didn't happen. So, what was the cost of it? Trade plans. So, I just had a trade plan for the downside. Didn't make money on that one, but made money on something else on dollar pairs. So I'm good. I'm great. So I honestly don't know why. I honestly don't know why, but nevertheless, what the reason might be, could have been, should have been, would have been, it invalidates my sell setup, so I'm just gonna wait for it to do its thing. Yeah. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. 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 Back to the drawing board. Ritual Kwesi Amadezi. It sounds like you are probably East African, probably Kenyan. I just went through gold a couple of minutes ago, so just go back in this live and you will see it. So yeah, I don't want to do gold too many times because people are like, Evan, you only talk about gold. We hate gold. We don't care about gold. That was my Mickey Mouse impression there. At least the Norwegian version of it. So pound yen, woo. So I said here that whenever pound is directional, just trade a direction. I haven't sold this one yet, so that didn't. I don't care too much here though, but yeah, it does go higher. So okay, I guess. Make sure that you don't stay in this place. So we almost at target, not too far away from target for the week, by the way. But when pound in December moves, it moves a lot. So stay away. Pound dollar. Yeah. Maybe I'm break even here or something. But it tries. Okay, it tries. Not really great yet to sell, but that is kind of like the first attempt there to sell it. And then we have to have a lower low, lower high, and then sell it again. That is like that's the main attack. So maybe this is boring to watch me, but I'm happy. I need to work on my content here. How do you say it? Yeah. So really, that was the. I don't want to be the one that says, "Well, you know," but this turned out to be the buy price. Okay. And this turns out to be the sell price. Now it depends who is gonna win. Okay. Bought GJ last night, Xavier. Okay, cool. Good on you. And I'm not going to ask for the 10% there, Xavier, of pound yen, because I didn't tell you to do that. I didn't give you the ideas of that. But yeah. I hope that you are joining the membership, YouTube membership soon. All right. So, so now it just depends if sellers actually kicks in here. Has anyone seen the COT report that came out yesterday? I think it was. I haven't seen it. Well, I don't know if it bothers anyone to see anything there. Anyways, but how's the commercial today? The commercial today is okay, good. Because yesterday I was getting commercials of leggings, and crop tops. So we all know what I've been googling lately. So, long, more people going long now, but still, this market is heavily short pound, by the way, still heavily short pound, and some buys coming in now, also, it doesn't really move me, but I'm like, I'm not going to be the one standing in front of the train. Pound is a train that you do not want to be a part of. And then people are starting to sell pound dollar again. So I guess that that can continue. Was it continue higher? I wanted to say. So we are heavily. Not heavily short, but we are. There was a lot of buyers in this area here. Price eventually went up, and price is now turning into be. People start turning into be buyers again. That is great, because then it can fall. So, yeah. But I don't know. I've only one thing to say here. Now it becomes Now the question becomes, are we going to fall or are we going to rise? Okay? So if you have started to sell already, okay. If you bought already, okay. But the real test is coming now if you're going to get paid or not. And then you're going to have follow-up trades after this. So if we break a higher or if we break lower, that is what I'm gonna add from pound dollar today. Don't want to know. Michael, don't want to know what you get up to in your spare time, thanks. What did I say? Well, I can't remember that reference though. Maybe you have to tell me again. But yeah. So yeah. What was that? What is that reference? Oh yeah. now I see it. You get advertisement for yeah. Oh. You know, when you're trying to buy Christmas gifts in January, and especially when you go into not female websites, but female shops that females would go to, such as beauty shops, such as makeup and whatever beauty products and clothes that women wear or activities that women do more than men, like knitting. You get a lot of advertisement, and it is relentless. They are spending so much advertisement money on me. So whenever I go to those sites, because I see them like a week after, every day. Yeah. Do you still remember to buy the black blush, 2 million threads, ultra mascara with waterproof and water resistant? I don't know if that's a thing even, but yeah. So New Zealand dollar has a new low today. There was a sell in here if you wanted to do one. Be break even on this sell, and if you had a sell in here, and then see how things goes. Really? Okay. USD. Oh, okay. USD CAD today this morning didn't reach the actual sell price I wanted, so got a bit of worse price. Still in profit though, but da 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 da. Because I told to buy. I didn't tell anyone to buy anything, but I normally buy the 9-hour candle, which is this candle here, the blue one here. So I'm still somehow in profit, but we shall see how things goes. Okay. Bitcoin, eh? Not bullish yet. Not bullish yet. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Dun 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 dun. Oh my lord. Jesus have mercy. Okay. Okay. USD is turning into be a very interesting pair to trade lately. It does extremely well in some cases, and in other cases it comes and knocks your brain out. So, okay. Anyone on this train actually on USD? Is there anyone on USD right now? I just need to remove this one up. Let's see if we can untie this in. Oops, I'm actually going to mute my microphone, sorry. I was talking to myself. Better? Oh yeah. So is there anyone on this train on USDN? It's just no. Did anyone buy? Did anyone buy it? Okay, no answers today, so I think we're just gonna move on here. Okay, so quick going through the markets again, just making sure we all understand what I'm talking about here. Okay. Aussie dollar has continued to fall. Great. Break even. Let's see if this continues to the downside. Euro, nothing right now that is enticing me. But there was maybe a sell yesterday. I don't know. I wouldn't say that's a good sell, but that was a pullback, I guess. Still a range, so wait for this one to develop. Pound dollar has much more strength in it, and this is supposed to be the turning point for the reversal. I don't know if it ever does, but, you know, interesting to look at if it does fall down, and right now it doesn't, so interesting there too. Pound yen to the moon as we speak, just increasing, going higher and higher and higher. Was there any potential for you to buy this one? Yes, but I didn't plan for that, so don't blame yourself, don't be hard on yourself, and if you do plan on taking it soon, you probably need to wait another couple of hours. But if you wanted to buy it this morning, it was yesterday evening. It was yesterday evening, yes. So nothing today then. Nothing today. A New Zealand dollar has hit target for the week. Boom. So be aware of this one coming a bit back up again before falling again. But still, as long as we are below 68.50, I'm still seeing this one going to the downside. So I would just X that one. Euro New Zealand, X again, range. USD CAD to the upside still. Found support at around 26, about a 126, and then we shall see if it can go up. Aussie yen breaking higher now. Not great to sell. CAD yen made a higher high. Euro yen made a higher high. New Zealand yen about to make a higher high. USD yen made a higher high. NOK yen is trying to make a higher high. So all the yen pairs so far in my book is X. Gold, nothing to do yet. Not trending. Just gonna be looking here to make a higher high so we can continue the trend. US oil is, I want this to fall, is currently in a range. I can't do anything, just waiting for it to move, whatever. And then we shall see tomorrow if there's something new there. Silver, same thing, just in a range. Nat gas, in a range too. Nothing to do there either. US Swissy, Aussie Swissy, sorry, range. CAD Swissy, range. Euro Swissy, falling hard. More bearish than I anticipated. Pound Swissy is in a bullish trend just because of pound more than anything else. So you have to look at it for pound strength. New Zealand Swissy in a range, can't do anything. US Swissy, interestingly higher, but yeah, in a small range here. So I can't touch that one either. US 30 going higher. I have mentioned yesterday what my buy price is 35.68. 35.18, sorry, 35,600 and 35,185 is kind of my buy prices now into the future. So we shall see if that one comes down there again. Swissy yen, I said it was a good place to sell. Sorry, a good thing, a good pair to sell yesterday. Proved me wrong. Sorry. Aussie CAD, Aussie New Zealand. Also looking to the downside. USDs are I apparently said 1582 and 1567 to the upside, and 1582 was the one going in, and now you're in profit. So a bit of a mixed bag depending on what you bought, what you sold, what you saw, what you didn't see. I think we are a bit in different situations here, but But overall, break even to profitable. I hope that you are break even to profitable. I have at least done my absolute best to make the best trading plans so far for this year. If I failed you, I do apologize. But I have made money on dollar pairs this year. So far, I've made money on dollar pairs so far. So I'm good. I think yen pairs are going to snap back hard, too stretched. That's the theory that I have right now. So I am going to jump over to Trader Nick's live in a couple of 2 minutes. If he's live today, it wasn't live yesterday. I don't know why he didn't tell me, so I don't know anything about that. I'm going to update my trading plans on my various Discord and Telegram, and hope to see you in the daily steps tonight. Costs you $30 a month. Mostly, if you were there with us yesterday or the day before, or sorry, last week, you should already have paid that one back easily by getting profits in the markets. So far so good. Love you guys. Boom. See you again tomorrow at the same time.